Hi guys, it's a bit cold today. Chilly, chilly, chilly cold. Isn't it, Stefan? Where you going? Hey DJ. So this big boy, you know who this is, don't you? This is Jojo. He's showing signs of improvement. He's enjoying his biscuits. It's very good. Wow, it is cold today. Sophie. Hi baby. Lila. Still haven't been able to catch her yet. And as you can see, she's sitting all hunched up, so to me that suggests a bit of pain. But if you watch this, if I try and touch her, whoosh, she's gone. Bean. Bean. Every day I have to clean this, and this is where the muddy paws go, the back ones. Well, they jump up and the back paws go there. And I have to scrub it every day with scrubbing brush. Because some of them are more happy to sleep than to eat. The kittens need to eat all the time, of course. And you can tell the bigger ones when they kind of stop wanting to eat all the time. Some of them only eat alone, so I've got to keep shuffling the food around. You've had yours, Moo Moo. So I've just replenished the biscuit bowls. Where is Biscuits? He's finished now. It's going to rain. It's going to rain, guys. Alright, Mr. Marengo. Hey Lenny, did you enjoy Gail's sandwiches yesterday? I think so. They looked very delicious. Good boy, Joji. Good boy, Jojo. Wow, you're so thin, boy. This guy used to be over 10 kilos, but he's not anymore. He's been what seems like perpetually sick for a very long time. But I think we're getting there now. Yeah. He's got his chronic issues, but as long as we can keep him fed and happy, that's the main thing. Lots of crunching going on. This is pudding, I think. Yes, she's got a gingery coat pudding. You know Lola. You know Melissa. Felix. Stefan, greedy Stefan. Sparky Sparkle. Hey Sparky. Sparky's head tilts to the right because he had neurological fib, so that's why he always looks a little bit surprised and quizzical. But he's cured now from the fib, but we can't repair the damage that's been already done. But he's okay, I think. His pupils are how they should be, so that's a very good sign. Hey Baron. Come on boy, there's food. They beg for food all the time and then they hardly eat it. They drive me what is known as a little bit bonkers. And there's old Stanley out there. Magic. Got the whole bunch in here too. And there's a whole bunch on my bed as usual. And there's a whole bunch on Tina's bed. We need to get Delilah. It's going to be very difficult. Hey, Lips. Lips only eats up there. It's just habits they get into, and it's such a pain in the neck. It happens. This little guy, Maurice, scratched my leg to hell today. I was sitting on the edge of my bed just contemplating my navel, and he jumped from the sofa and he kind of just missed and ended up hanging off my leg with all his claws. It was shocking. The noise you can hear is they're digging up, they're preparing a house just over there, and the foundations, the raft that they build and the uprights had been there for years, but now they require to finish the house. Oh, that's not good. There's a bunch of them got that kind of cough as well. Again, it's the time of the year. Alright, boy. Alright, don't worry. It's only a little cough. There goes Bruiser. Off to do some business. Right guys, I'm going to try and get some food for myself. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to lock myself away in a cupboard and see how it goes. Right, cheers then guys. Have a good day. Bye.